It's time for the least scary Halloween review video, which is unsponsored, and what I will say in this video will be my entire thoughts. The only thing that is scary though is you could be potentially missing out on the biggest discount possible wherever you're watching this from. It is an exclusive code that gives you a discount every single time, which I fought for, and it never would have been possible if it wasn't for all of you watching these videos and engaging with it. Let's get this unboxed and share all of my thoughts on these fragrances and the cases. I don't know when the Halloween range will be finished. This is going to be probably the shortest video reviewing them. As always, I promise to make sure that I can share my 2 pence on any of the launches. So the first is the lip balm case in the matte ghost, and this was like the one from last year, which is this one that I got last year. I do find though, if you are worried about scratches or chips, the dark colors do show that more, especially the matte colors. I know that because I've gifted people in my family, especially the gentlemen, the black matte case. And if it's just thrown in a bag, you can sometimes get scratches on it. Whereas personally, I prefer the more kind of enameled glossy ones because I don't notice any damage on those so far. That could change. We've got that case wasn't launched this year, but it's just for reference. Then we have the new design of the shower gel case. And I even responded to a potential hack of putting your own product in the case, and that didn't work so well. So yeah, that will be down below. This is just a really simple matte black case. Something to note about the new generation body wash and hand wash cases. The cases are the exact same. They work for both the hand wash and the body washes. I do really like this design for Halloween. It's not essential to go for all of the cases. I think for the deodorant cases, I personally prefer 1 or 2, maybe more if you like to really change them, but that's all you really need. It depends what you use them for. It's important to note that as long as you've got the right case, you could swap between using it as a hand wash or a shower gel container. They're really well built. So let's smell the refillable body wash in the Swizzels Squashies Raspberry flavour. I haven't had those in so long. It's weird to be doing smelling videos again because it's felt like a really long time since I've done one. That's really nice. Literally smells like drumstick. Are they the same as drumsticks? Swizzels must be the company that does drumsticks. I'm not a massive sweet eater. I make up for that in savory or crisps or biscuits. If you're a sweet fan, let me know. It literally just smells like that. It's a really nice scent. Ingredients, nice hydrating elements to it. There's the aloe vera as well. There's vanillin, which adds to that sweet smell. And good hydrating elements even before the fragrance. That's always a good sign with the formula. If you want to watch an updated video of how you refill these and how they look set up, let me know with a comment down below. Otherwise, I'm going to move on with the rest of the video. It's self-explanatory, and I've done a lot of content on that. Those will be linked down below, including how to refill the deodorant cases of the first generation and the second ones. And most importantly, some top tips on how to keep them looking their best forever. The next refill that came is the Love Heart Lip Balm refill in strawberry. This is fully recyclable, plastic-free entirely. There's a little bit of plastic in the lip balm case, but you buy one of these to keep using, and that's important. There will never be a case that I've gotten rid of. I'm also obsessed with the lip balm, so I do have probably the most of cases in the lip balms just because I like to keep one in like everything that I would need one in. Now, it's not to push more consumption, that's just my preference. I wanted to step away from using the huge amount of other brands I was using for lip balms to find my perfect ones. Each formula of these lip balms do feel different. I've preferred some than others. Another thing as well, I've even used a lip balm refill just as itself. I didn't even put it in the case. When I was traveling, I just threw one of them in the box and I started using it straight away because I needed it. Nice fragrance. This reminds me of the Love Potion. It's like a rosy, strawberry, vanilla, floral scent. Really like a rose in it. You have to be careful in case it would snap. So what I would say, if you are wanting to be cautious, try a refill. Don't get the case just yet. And then you can always get the case next time you shop, getting a refill for your deodorant or a refill for the hand wash or body wash. One, you save money. It allows you to try if the formula is actually going to work for your lips because everyone's lips and skin are different. I use tons of other lip balm and different ones for different times of the year. These are good everyday go-tos. If your lips are extremely dry and sensitized, I don't recommend using these ones just because the fragrance can irritate the skin. If your lips are compromised, cracked, you've got cold sore, you've got kind of anything that's compromised the upper layers of the skin, I would avoid any lip balms that have fragrance in it. I loved the original fragrance, but not fragrance, from Wild. You don't need the fancy smells in lip balms. My long-term favorite that I've repeat bought was the original that didn't have the fragrance in it. Let me know down below if you tried any of the ones from this year's Halloween range. I know that they brought out more products. I also did a video on the caramel latte refill, and like with many other fragrance products, whether that's from Wild, Lush, other fragrance brands, those will all be available to watch right now. If you don't want to say goodbye just yet, some suggestions will be on the screen right now to what I think you would enjoy watching next. Leave me a comment down below with what you thought of this range or the ones that you tried. I will see you extremely soon with the festive winter scents. I cannot wait, which I do know because one of them's right out the shop right now because I filmed this one after, but this one will be released first. Make sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.